So the reason that we've been working on this box is to isolate the temperatures from my 3D printer, because I normally have it here behind my monitors. Problem is I also have an AC unit right behind me. I have a giant fan underneath this table that cools my computer down. We have a ceiling fan. So what they do is they are actually cooling down my heating head, my print head, which is causing it not to get temperature. Last time I tried to print an object, the printing head got to 1 degree off. Not hot enough to start printing. Almost there, but it sat that way for 4 hours before I finally just gave up and turned it off. Which is when we then designed this box that'll help isolate the temperature, because it'll stop the fans and the AC units in the house from cooling down my print head. So I'll actually be able to start printing. The printer itself prints really good. I actually don't have anything to show off, but yeah.
As you can see, my son's printer is working away without having the cover over it right now. So it's working good in this location. However, it's right underneath a bug zapper, which if it zaps a bug and that bug falls down into the print work, it can cause a lot of trouble. So I still need to get the cover fixed with a door on it in order for him to be able to access it without having to lift the cover up off the printer. As you'll see after this part in the film, I'll be out there cutting these boards up so things will go out of sequence. But I am making this door to go on here. This piece of plastic will be coming off and going onto the door. A door is a little different than the framework of the rest of this because it all self-supports itself because of different angles and directions on it. However, the door is just kind of one-dimensional and it's easy for it to warp and twist it out of shape. So I've taken the longest pieces that are going to be all the way up with the idea of running a screw through here. And the reason for that is that as you open the door, the handle or the hinges will tend to twist this board. And over time it'll work loose and the door will break. But by putting the pin through this way instead of mounting it this way where it could twist easy, by putting the screw through this way, it'll prevent that from turning and should make it a strong door to open and close each time that it's done, and hopefully last for a long time to come. I have pre-drilled the holes and put screws through them enough to use to make markers in the end of these boards, and I have pre-drilled them for the size so that the screw does not split the wood apart when it goes in. I've also predetermined, like this is the top, as to which piece is going to go where on the door. Now I'm going to place some glue in between the joints and screw it together. Okay, it is finally done and in place. And all he has to do is hold the door open. He can reach in and do whatever he needs to do, and then the door stays shut with magnets.